Hey, what's going on, Veggie Fam? Welcome back. And if this is your first time and you would like to join the Veggie Fam, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you will never miss out on another video. And I post videos every Monday and Wednesday. So in today's video, this is actually a continuation of the previous video of last Monday's video, which was a falafel recipe, which I will link up here for you guys. I'm actually going to be making a tahini dressing slash sauce that you can put on anything, with anything, in anything, around anything, and anything. So today is going to be a salad, or a salad dressing recipe, or like I said, I was making falafels, so you dip it the falafels. But today's sponsor of today's video is actually Fox Run Brands, and this is a ginormous wooden salad bowl along with these beautiful paddles. And I was actually going to show you guys me tossing some salad in here. The only reason I didn't is because I've been using it so much. I've been inspired to make so many salads. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I've been making so many salads lately. And it's because of this bowl. This bowl is I love it so much. I have so many wooden bowls, and you guys have probably seen up to now, but this is like ginormous, and I love like very big salads whenever I do have salads. So the more space you have to mix stuff up, the better. This makes a great gift. Their link is down below. Check them out if you're interested. And yeah, so this is the size of it, just like ginormous. Mind you, I'm small, so it might be a little bit smaller for you, but yeah. And then these paddles. So go ahead and check them out if you guys are interested. Thank you so much, Fox Run Brands, for sponsoring today's video. And let's go ahead and move on to our recipe. So first things first, what are we gonna need? We're gonna need some tahini, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna show you guys like in an eyeball type of way, but I am going to tell you guys the the measurements for each thing. All right, so like I said, I am eyeballing this because I've been making this for a little while now, but I have 1/3 of a cup approximately of tahini here, and then I'm gonna add in about the juice of half a lemon. So now that we get those seeds out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and add some garlic. I'm gonna add some minced garlic, and I'm actually using jarred minced garlic only because I've been so busy lately that's what I've been using. And I'm also going to use some soy sauce. I'm using about 2.5 teaspoons of soy sauce. So I'm just mixing this up, and the tahini is pretty thick, so I'm going to add water in a second once I get all this mixed together. But quickly, I wanted to tell you guys why I was MIA last week. The reason for that is because I've been so incredibly busy trying to get you guys those 2 ebooks that I promised you. I'm working on a free ebook with all of my vegan meats recipes, and then I'm also working on a all vegan sauce ebook as well. So now that this is all mixed in together, I'm actually gonna mix in a bit of water. And the water to sauce ratio is pretty much like a personal preference. It depends on how thin or how thick you want your sauce. So this is the consistency I'm looking for if I want it for a dressing for a salad. But if I wanted to make it to sort of like dip my falafels in, I make it a little bit thicker. And also to drizzle on top of falafels, you can make it like this, or you can make it a little thicker, like I said. So the water ratio is pretty much a personal preference. Then you can also taste it, add a little bit extra soy sauce if you want a little more saltiness or savoriness. You could also toss in a little bit of ground black pepper, or if you want to spice it up just a bit, you can also add in a little bit of chili powder. So that is that though. Here, I'm gonna actually do a taste test just like this. And I did a whole separate video for this because my falafel video went on a little longer than I expected. So I'm gonna taste it. I am obsessed with this. So that is that, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more videos like this, even though I am gonna be making I am working on a sauce ebook. Again, don't forget to check out Fox Run Brands if you guys are interested in a beautiful big salad bowl. But of course you can use this for other things, not just salad bowls. And I forgot to mention the quality. I may have or may have not mentioned the quality is awesome. So check them out. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Love you. Bye.